In this section of the tutorial, I will cover 50 tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10. This is going to be subdivided into 5 tips every video. So be sure to stay tuned to watch each and every one of it so that you can enhance your experience in the use of Windows 10. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashid and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos from this channel. For you today, 5 tips and tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is enabling the control and paste option in the command prompt. Usually when you open your command prompt, you cannot copy and paste options. So to copy and paste text in your command option, you have to enable it within the computer. So all you need to do is to start by coming down to the search bar here and type CMD or the command option, to those of you who are very familiar with it. And then you click on it, and then to enable it, you just come over to the taskbar here, and then you right click here and you have the properties. You come straight to properties and you can enable it directly here. Enable control key shortcuts. So once you select this and then you hit OK, you can now paste your clipboard copied item directly. Tip number 2 is how to change the view options of your folder. The default view of your folder is usually these small views, and you can change it to bigger or much bigger view, and you can change the control within the folders. So for example, to change the view of this particular folder, all you need to do is to come over to view here, and you can change the view from the smaller size to extra large to small to tiles even, and then to large icons, and to just a bunch of lists, and to content if you want, highlighting the different content and arranging them accordingly, and to medium icons. You can change to medium icon, and you will come here and sort the folder options by ascending, descending, or based on date, size, type of folder. You can change all these from here. You can hide or unhide folder options from here, or you come here directly to the options, and you can come all the way down to view here, and you can unhide any hidden folders within your computer down here. For example, you can just unhide this, and once you click on apply, all your hidden folders will be visible. Tip number 3 is how to reduce distraction while you are working on your computer. As you are concentrating to work on your PC, you can receive a lot of pop-ups and notifications on your computer. You can control this using the focus assist. All you need to do is to come over to the Windows here and go to settings, and you can come straight to systems, and you can come straight to focus assist. Okay, under focus assist, you have the option to either off all notifications on your computer, or you can prioritize the notification and you customize the list from here. Okay, or you enable alarms only. Or you can come down here and set automatic rules that the computer should obey. By this, you should be able to minimize or control all your notifications within your system. Tip number 4 is reliability history of your computer. You can actually now view the reliability history of your computer, where you got warnings, where you got errors, and the codes that you can search about and know what kind of error, what kind of warning do you have, so that your computer can stay healthy. To access that, all you need to do is to come over down here to the search bar and just type reliability history, and you come over here and see it. And clicking on this, it's going to access and give you all the reliability history of your computer. You can see the warnings as well as the errors. You can click here and you see the details of it. The critical events are marked with these red icons, and the warnings, you can see them here, as well as the informational events. Once you click on it, you see the detail of what kind of warning or what kind of problem is this, and you can search the computer based on this code, and you'll see much more information online on what you should do, on what actually caused it, and how you can eliminate this particular threat or problem. Tip number 5 is the jump list. If you have not been using the jump list in Windows 10, it's better you start using it, because it's a quick and easy ways to access your files or your
computer history or your most recent used applications within your computer. So all you need to do to access it is just to come over down to any taskbar while you have your application and right click on it, and you can see the most visited websites as well as the recently closed, and you can see, for example, the tasks ahead, what you can use, what you can do directly. You can have access all the way from here. By mere right clicking, you can see your most recent visits and what you can do and how you can access them very quickly. By just right clicking, you have access to the most recent items and you can visit them directly.
Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks. If you do, kindly feel free to share with your friends. And don't forget to watch out for the remaining tips and tricks that I share in this particular series. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.